Bongret is here. Hi everyone, welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon. Once again, it's another beautiful Wednesday morning, and we are here again to show you what you need to know on BTC chart analysis, right? If you're looking at my screen, you will see the setup we took on Monday, the buy setup we took on Monday on BTC. Yeah, if you are updated with our channels, yesterday around before the New York opening or immediately after the New York opening, I instructed you guys to close that buy position because the price action I was seeing was not in alignment with that setup. So I instructed everybody on the community to close that buy position. You know, when we are doing analysis yesterday, I told you that I'm not seeing BTC coming to our TP. That is when I drew this line at 64,500. I told you that if the price should come there, I don't mind taking profit and closing the long position. But you can see yesterday, Bitcoin didn't get to there. And when the price action was playing so tricky, I have to update the community to close the trade. And after that, immediately New York opening, the market went straight to SL. Those that hit to the instruction, we are not victim of that SL, but those that couldn't follow instruction hit that SL because I saw it coming. I even made the post on our X handle as well. So you have to always be updated. If you are choosing to be a trader, you have to always stay updated. You have to always be active so that you will not be missing opportunities, right? So let's dive in and see what we have today. Bitcoin might temporarily buy today, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so I will delete all these tools. Let's see what Bitcoin did yesterday. You see the low of 63,200 and the high of 64,500 yesterday, right? So now what do we have on BTC? Look at BTC. The first 4 hours of the Asian market just closed. Let's see what we have. So guys, don't forget, if you're watching the short clip of this video, please do well to use the link below this video or check the link on our bio. Follow that link, join our YouTube channel, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on notifications so that every time we post the daily chart analysis in the morning, you will always be the first to have access to it. Okay, and don't forget to join all other our channel, our WhatsApp community, our Telegram channel, and follow us on X as well. Very important. Okay, so let's go. Look at the candle Bitcoin closed yesterday. I told you guys initially that Bitcoin is definitely coming back to this zone to complete the weekly and the daily chart pattern, right? So don't forget that. We're not going there, we are day traders. Let's focus on what is happening on the daily. So now, which way are about now? I can assure you that Bitcoin is still on a downtrend. Now let's see how we can find entry and make money today. If you go to 4 hours, you will see for a fact that Bitcoin broke structure yesterday to the downside, and that yesterday high can serve as a resistance today. Let's break down to 1 hour and see what is going on there. Right, look at the other block that sold BTC yesterday. Right, if you put your sell pending order here, you are not wrong. But will I set the pending order now? No, I will not set the pending order now. I will trade this on confirmation. That's why you have to always stay updated so that once we pull out the signal, you will have access to it. Look at this channel. This was the same channel that Bitcoin was building last week, which I drew for you guys, So what am I expecting? I'm expecting this sluggish movement to happen. Just keep on happening between now and maybe New York opening, right? By then Bitcoin should get to this place, right? Manipulate, give us a reason to sell, and then we'll sell it down again. Because definitely, if not this week, next week, Bitcoin is definitely coming back to this zone around this 62k and even beyond. Don't allow anybody to deceive you on that. So you can see the lookout, right? Look at the pole here. Yes, I don't know, is this a bearish bearish flag? That's what you guys call this. Yes, bearish flag. You can see it perfectly stated. So one, you have to give markets a chance to play out, right? Don't rush it. Once markets get to that hour zone, you look for entry on a lower time frame like 15 minutes and take your shot. So stay updated. I believe I have been able to simplify this as a day trader and as a scalper. We have what to look up to today, right? So thank you guys for having me. I remain my humble self, Bongret Solomon, and don't forget that Bongret is out. I will see you guys again tomorrow in our next analysis. Stay blessed, stay updated, and do have a profitable day. Bye for now.